Okay, what about another video, guys? Today, I'm playing. I heard noises coming from the woods. So I'm like this metal stuff. I'm not sure. I'll try to use if it's still going. I heard this metal stuff. I'm going to it and stuff. Ow. Like a metal, like you know, like a metal swing, right? That's what it sounds like. I just stop. Why did it stop? It stopped. Why did it stop? I'm falling. It stopped for some reason. Why? No, I'm not going in. I want to cut this fence off. I had no luck doing it. It's this thing right here. I think. If you're just stuck, I'm fine with that. Someone did this. I don't know who. Yeah, there's Tim Terry over there. I went to the fence once when me and Josh fed. Some red berries. Hello? Yeah, I can just a thing down. Huh.